Welcome to our review on the fēnix R7X Pro Sapphire Solar Edition 3, a smartwatch that is a perfect blend of modern technology and stylish appeal. This remarkable timepiece boasts an exceptional sapphire solar lens designed not only for its aesthetic allure but also for its ability to harness solar power. Coupled with this, its rugged yet refined design ensures durability. The solar charging feature is a game changer, extending battery life for your adventures. This is an extraordinary smartwatch that is designed to keep up with your active lifestyle. Now let's delve deeper into the features of the fēnix R7X Pro Sapphire Solar Edition 3. This smartwatch is not just a timepiece, it's a technological marvel. The most striking feature is its solar charging. This isn't just about eco-friendliness, it's about extending your watch's battery life, ensuring that you always have access to its features when you need them most. And speaking of features, you'll be blown away by the fitness tracking capabilities. This smartwatch is your personal trainer, monitoring your heart rate, sleep, stress, and more. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting on your fitness journey, this is a feature you'll find invaluable. Moving on, we have the built-in GPS. Whether you're exploring new trails or navigating through the city, the GPS ensures you're never lost. It's accurate, fast, and reliable, making it a trusty companion on any adventure. Then there are smart notifications. From calls and texts to social media alerts, you're always connected, but don't worry, you can customize these notifications, ensuring you're not overwhelmed. For entertainment, the fēnix R7X Pro offers music streaming options, allowing you to enjoy your favorite tunes on the go. It's compatible with popular platforms, making it a versatile entertainment hub. Lastly, let's not forget about its design. It's stylish and durable with a sapphire crystal lens and a rugged yet sophisticated look. It's a watch that's ready for anything and looks good while doing it. With these features, the fēnix R7X Pro Sapphire Solar Edition 3 truly stands out as a remarkable smartwatch. We hope this review has given you a thorough understanding of the fēnix R7X Pro Sapphire Solar Edition 3. We've explored its fascinating features, its stunning design, and its cutting-edge technology. But now, it's your turn to weigh in. What do you think about this smartwatch? Do you love its solar charging feature as much as we do? Or maybe you're intrigued by its advanced sport metrics? Don't hold back. Share your thoughts and reactions in the comments section below. Your feedback is not just welcomed, it's cherished. It helps us create content that resonates with you. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel. This way you'll never miss out on our latest reviews and unboxings. Just tap that bell icon and let us keep you updated on the latest in technology. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts and feedback. We look forward to hearing from you.